guys, welcome back to League 11. Today I'm going to be talking about the game 3 of the BBL. It's going to be a match between the Melbourne Renegades and the Adelaide Strikers. It's going to be taking place in Marvel Stadium in Melbourne, so it's going to be a home advantage for the Renegades. Now, both these teams are one-time champions, but in my opinion, I feel like the Strikers have probably slightly more confidence because the Renegades had a pathetic season last year and they won only 4 games in total. So, according to this game, I think my fantasy league picks make the most sense. So, I will be discussing them with you and for you to be able to make your picks wisely. So, let's begin with my wicket keeping options. Now, I feel like if it was an option, I would have gone with Alex Carey. Except Alex Carey has been chosen to play for Australia in the Ashes Test Series. After Tim Paine's scandal, Alex Carey was the second best choice for a wicket-keeping option. Hence, he will not be able to play the BBL. So my choice is Sam Harper. He's the top run scorer of last season for the Renegades, and he has a total of 351 runs from last season. So for me, it feels like he would do a great job as a wicketkeeper as well as a batsman. Now, let's come to our batsman choices. First choice is Jake Weatherall. He had 433 runs last season. That's huge. He is by far one of the picks I feel safest in choosing because I know he will perform consistently and he will do really well. Now, everyone knows Alan Finch, and I feel like even he was a no-brainer. Although he stepped down from his captaincy recently, he is extremely experienced, and hence I would probably put him as an opener for this game. Now, my third batting choice may not be the most obvious, but it's my gut feeling that this player is the one to watch. Ryan Gibson. He has quite a few runs under his belt, but I feel like he is underestimated quite often. Now, my fourth batsman pick is none other than Udmukh Chand. Udmukh Chand is the first Indian player to be playing in the BBL, as you may know. He performed absolutely incredibly in the Under-19 World Cup, which is what shot him to stardom in the first place. Now, him as a choice may be controversial because it's his debut and we don't know how he performs in Australian pitches as much in T20 games, let's say, recently. But I feel like he's a very dynamic player, so he'll be able to adapt to the game and he will put up a great performance. Now let's talk about my all-rounder choices. Now, Mohammad Nabi, a very obvious choice, and I feel like it's one that you guys would have all seen coming because not only is he a great spin bowler, but he's also a great batsman with a lot of experience, so making him a very safe choice, of course. My second all-rounder pick is Will Sutherland. Now, Will Sutherland is a relatively young player, but he's full of potential as well as talent. He will do a good job, and I have a safe feeling in my gut that he will perform well. Let's talk about our bowlers now. My first bowling pick is Rashid Khan. Rashid Khan has 9 wickets in the last 5 games. He's an incredible leg break bowler and I feel like he makes a great addition to my team. Kane Richardson is my second pick. Now, Kane Richardson is one I would also place as my captain because he is very in command and he's very clear with his decisions. He's a great pace bowler and he's taken 8 wickets in the last 7 games, making him again pretty reliable, I'd say. My third pick is Zach Evans. He is the best Renegades bowler by far since he has 10 wickets from the last 4 games with his fast bowling, of course. My last bowler pick is Wes Agar. Now, Wes Agar is, on the other hand, the striker's best bowler. He's also, again, a pace bowler and he has 22 wickets from last season. 22 wickets. Now, why I have chosen 3 out of 4 of my bowlers to be pace bowlers is because this game is going to be taking place in the Marvel Stadium in Melbourne. Now, this pitch is notoriously famous for how unpredictable it can be. You know, for spin bowlers, I feel like my only placement is Rashid Khan makes sense, and the other three being very talented, extremely good fast bowlers makes more sense. Right. Now, this is going to be a game that will be quite an exciting watch, I feel, because it could really go either way. The Sydney Strikers, although have done well last season, they might not do as well this season. And on the other hand, they might, you know. As for the Renegades, they had a terrible season last year. So maybe taking account into that, they won't do as well. But yes, they may also use their previous past terrible experience as fuel and motivation to do better this season. They also have a great lineup. So again, we never know. I think you should stay tuned and you should definitely watch this game. It's going to be tomorrow at 1:45 p.m. IST. I am definitely going to watch. And that's it. Thank you for watching.